on Flipkart from this month, and it has been launched in two variants. One is the 3GB RAM variant, which comes with 32GB storage, and it will be available for 10,999. The other variant, which has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, will be available for 14,999. Now it has quad camera, that means you get two front cameras and two back cameras. You have the Honor full view display and has a 2.5D curved glass. So we have the 4GB RAM variant with us, and let's unbox it. We already opened it once and tried to repackage it just for the video, so don't get alarmed if you find some smudges on the phone. So this is the grey variant. It will be available in black and blue as well. The phone looks really nice. It has glass construction. So we will be talking more about the device in a minute. Let's just check out other contents present in the box. So here you get a SIM ejector pin, as you can see. Then let me just try and open it. Then you have two more things. One is a charging adapter from Huawei, and the other one is this cable, which is a standard USB to micro USB cable, which can be used for data transfer as well as for charging the smartphone. And the charging adapter has a rating of 2 amp at 5 volts. So these are the contents that you will get if you order Honor 9 Lite smartphone in India. So here is the Honor 9 Lite smartphone. The phone feels really light in weight and compact. In hand you get this 5.65 inch Full HD Plus display in the front. This is an 18:9 display. In the front you get dual camera placement. There is a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera combination. On the back side you again get a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera combination and a fingerprint sensor. Then you get this mirror finish kind of a glass back, which looks really beautiful. The phone will be available in this grey, black and blue variants. All look really beautiful. At the same time, it does attract fingerprints and smudges because this is a glass back, and all smartphones which has a glass back does attract fingerprints. On the right side you have volume knob and a power button. On the bottom side a micro USB port, 3.5mm audio jack and a speaker outlet. On the top you don't get any ports on the buttons, and on the left side you get this SIM card tray. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, the phone looks really beautiful. It is light and compact, and design looks really nice. The build quality also seems to be good enough. Talking more about the display, you get this 5.65 inch Full HD Plus full view display, which has 2.5D glass display, and company also demonstrated some tests that they did on this glass. So this is a scratch resistant glass and it's tough glass. We are not sure which Corning Gorilla Glass or other kind of glass company is using as of now. We will try to find that out in our final review. Moving on, let's talk about the hardware and the software part. The phone is being powered by company's own Kirin 659 chipset. You get 4GB or 3GB of RAM depending upon the variant you opt for. Then you get 32GB or 64GB of storage, again depending upon the variant you opt for. Now it runs on Android 8.0, that is Oreo, along with company's own Emotion UI, and as you can see it has 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage on this variant, which will be available for 14,999 Indian rupees. But if you opt for the 3GB RAM variant, you will get 32GB storage. In terms of performance, you can handle, or the device can handle day-to-day applications and multitasking without any issues. Kirin 659 is fairly capable processor when it comes to handling day-to-day applications or even games like Asphalt 8 or Modern Combat 5. Multitasking is also smooth on the device, and Emotion UI does offer you some additional features. In addition to the normal Android features, you get options like multi-window. You have some other customization options as well. Now let's move on to one of the major features of this device, the camera. So you get this 13+2 camera on the back and a 13+2 camera combination in the front as well. So this is how the camera interface looks like. And if I switch back to the back camera, here you can see you have various modes and options available. Currently we are in the wide aperture mode. Then you have the portrait mode available, which is this one, as you can see. Then you have the moving picture, etc. And if you swipe, do that as the 4GB variant. So it seems to be a great camera smartphone. The phone comes with this 3000 mAh battery, and you do get a fingerprint sensor on the back, which again works really well. We didn't face any issue with the fingerprint sensor. Overall, at this price point, that is under 11,000 for the 3GB RAM variant, it seems to be a really good device from the company. It offers you this 5.65 inch 18:9 full view display. This is a full HD plus display. We like the design and build quality. The phone looks really beautiful. You do need to wipe out the smudges and fingerprints from the back, but still it's one of the best looking smartphones in this price segment. The camera also seems to be working fine. We will be